In the rapidly evolving technology landscape, including edge computing, artificial intelligence, and automation, the challenge facing global businesses isn't just keeping up, it's knowing how to stay ahead. From the most modest pursuits to the biggest global breakthroughs, Arrow Global Services unites industry experts and driven innovators with the right ecosystem, experience, and scale essential for success. The Arrow Global Services portfolio simplifies every phase of the technology lifecycle experience. With design engineering services, customers experience collaborative expertise from engineers and design teams in one-on-one support environments. Product development teams can rapidly develop working prototypes. First articles validate production readiness. And certification ensures global launches are executed without a hitch. Our fulfillment capabilities offer shipping to the right place at the right time, the first time. And products that move through our manufacturing receive complete lifecycle management and trusted hardware-software integration. We also offer customers access to remote and on-site service anytime, day or night, with Arrow's professional and support services. With a global reach in over 90 countries worldwide, the power to meet increased demand with scalable solutions, Arrow helps our customers get to market faster with greater operating efficiency and enables them to stay ahead of the competition. Take the first step in expanding your business today with Arrow Global Services.